Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Yahoo Finance for stocks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use Yahoo Finance for stocks, what you need to do is simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in Yahoo Finance and hit enter. Then, once the search result loads, simply click on the first link that is shown to you, which is Yahoo Finance. And then, once you click it, you will be transferred to the Yahoo Finance homepage. Now, on the search bar, what you need to do is enter in the company name like Apple and then hit enter, and then the stock page will open. Now, step 3 is to understand the stock page. On the stock page, you'll see the current price, the latest trading price, days rates, the lowest and the highest price, today and 52-week range, lowest and highest price over the past year, and market cap, the total value of the company's share, dividend and yield, the payments to the shareholders if any. The next step is to choose charts on the left hand side of the screen. Then here you can see the stock price over time as well. Then adjust the time frame from 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and max. You can also use the candlesticks, which is right here on the bottom, or line charts to study trends. Next step is to track new analysis. Scroll down to see the latest news, press releases and analyst opinions. This helps you stay updated on factors affecting the stock. The next step is to add stocks to your watch list by simply clicking on Add to Watch List option, which will be available once you are signed into your account. You can create multiple watch lists for easy tracking. And next step is to check financial and fundamentals by simply clicking on the financial options on the left hand side of your screen, and to see income statements, balance sheet and cash flow, and simply click on statistics to check ratios, market data, performance metrics. You can use portfolio feature as well by simply clicking on portfolio option right here to track investments and simulate trades. You can see gain or loss, performance and trends over time. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.